Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 59th session and today let's start with the same topic on the Excel template. So the first one that we are going to take a look at here is utilizing one of the built-in template inside of Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look at where you can find all these templates. I have still got the exercise file that we have been building upon, but let's ignore that for a moment. I'm going to go up to the file tab and I'm going to go to the down to the new option. So new is where we start this out at. We started with just a blank document, blank workbook, and then we had to build from scratch our complete monthly budget, which is great information, right? You can build your own spreadsheet, but right there is a lots of templates in here that we can utilize that already have a basic structure to it. All we have to do is plug in our data. Now underneath the new section you have got the templates, and right now I have got two categories. I have got one for office. These are the built-in ones and also gives us the ability to search office.com, the Microsoft website, where we can download other free templates. And then I have got one called personal. So you may have the personal option there, you may not. It just depends if you have saved the template yourself or templates have been saved inside of your copy of Excel on your computer. So if you don't see personal right now, don't worry about it. We are going to talk about that one in the next video. So if I go to the office down below, we have got lots of templates to pull from. Again, keep in mind, template, it's just a basic structure, maybe a little bit of data in there, but we are going to fill it in with our particular data. Calculations are already done, formatting is already there, it's there, it's already a complete document. It's just waiting for data. So we have got ones in here like personal monthly budget, seasonal illustrated one, any year 1 month calculator, academic calculator, household monthly budget, monthly company budget, blue invoice, simple invoice, home inventory, daily work schedule, loan calculator, Gantt chart projects. So we are going to take a look at the loan calculator, but there's lots of them in here for you to pull from. Now I could pick one of these and I encourage you to experiment, take a look at them, open them up, see what it looks like. Maybe you're going to find one that you could use to plug in your data. Now if I scroll back to the top, there's going to be a little search box where I can search online templates. Right, I can search office.com to be able to find other templates that I can utilize. Now I'm going to click into there and I'm going to type in loan and hit my enter key. Give it a moment, and so it went out and searched. It found a few loan type templates for us to pull from. Look, there's a personal monthly budget, right there. We could use that, right? Just plug in our data. Very cool. There's one in here for loan. That word I'm not going to try to pronounce that. I always goof it up. Let's call it the loan schedule. So that's the one that we want. I'm going to go and select it. Now it opens up a window or gives you a little bit of information about it. I've got a create button. I've opened this one up before. You might have a download button. It might take just a moment for you to download that file from online from the Microsoft site into your copy of Excel. Once you have done that, then you can create it. So I'm going to go ahead and create, and there it is. I'll just click it here. So let's see. This workbook produces a loan amortization schedule that calculates total interest and total payments and includes the option for extra payments. Go to cell C2 for additional information about this template. I'll go to the C2. So there we go. Worksheet title, it is in this cell. Enter loan values in cell E5 to E9. Here it is, E5 to E9, and extra payments in cell E11. There it is. Enter loan summary values in cell I5 to K9. There it is. With lender name in cell I11. There it is. And the payment schedule table will automatically update. These are the payment table. So let's try this out. They have already got some numbers in there. We can see that they have calculated those numbers at $5,000 at 4% interest rate for the next year, right? 12 payments within that year and an extra payment of $100. We would be paying $425.75 for the scheduled payment for the next 12 payments. Right now I'm going to make some adjustments here. I want to plug in some of my own data, so it says like $100. I'm not going to make any additional payment, so just hit delete and it's gone, right? So rather than paying 425 plus the additional $100, I'm not going to do that. Just whatever my interest and principal needs for those attributes, those variables there. So I'm going to make some differences here. Let's say I'm going to purchase a house, okay, and let's say the house is going for 250,000. So I'll just enter 250,000 dollar, hit my enter key. All right, at an annual interest rate, so let's see, right now I'm going to say 3.50, 3.5%, and number of years 30, hit my enter key, and payments per year, one payment a month, so 12 months in the year, so we are good to go. All right, so for $250,000 out of 3.5 interest rate for 30 years, I will be paying 1,122 for the loan, right? Scheduled payments is 360. Actual number of payments, they are saying that there's just 11 there right now, so that's actually should be much higher. But if we scroll down, here's my little table that they generated for me. I'm going to grab that corner of the table and I'm going to pull that down. We're going to talk about tables some more in the 1 or 2 portions of the course, but if I drag that down, we are going to get the additional payment inside of there. So now I have got one for the next month, and so on. So here it is 39. How many more there? There's 360 payments inside there, right? So this is going to go down quite a bit, just dragging that down again. It's almost there. There we go. So there's my nice table that would give me a breakdown of this complete loan. Very cool. So 250,000, 3.5 interest rate. Now for the next 30 years, right, we're going to pay $1,122.61 each month for that loan, and I'll give you the breakdown of what's happening. So for the very first payment inside here, we paid $1,122.61. So 393 went to the principal and 729 went to the interest. Oh man. So let's see, actually at the top you can see our total interest. That's not going to the principal, that's going to the bank, right? That's our interest is for taking the loan at 3.5% for the next 30 years. We are paying $154,000 roughly, right? But we got this optional extra payment, I hope, over here, and let's say I can afford an extra $100 every month, so it would bring it total of $1,222.61 each month to I'll just put 100, hit my enter key, and we just dropped that down. What was that? 24, right? $24,000 that we saved just by adding an additional $100 a month towards that loan, right? Now we have got 312 actual payment inside of them rather than the 360. So we even cut down the lifetime of that loan as well just by adding an extra $100, right? If that's still getting too steep for us, what if we did $50, just $50? That still saves us quite a bit. Was that $13,000, right? And knocks it down the lifetime of the loan as well, right? So just by making that extra little bit of payment inside here, very cool, but a nice little template, right? You plug in your data, calculations already there, it's well formatted document, and you're good to go. So try this out. jump in the file tab and go to the new option, go and search for the loan, find this one and try it out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.